Have you ever wondered what lies beneath the crystal clear waters of Lakshadweep? Welcome to a world of underwater marvels, where the Arabian Sea cradles a hidden paradise. The Lakshadweep archipelago, a collection of 36 islands nestled in India's southwestern coast, is a beacon for wanderers seeking the thrill of the marine world. In these azure waters, life thrives in vivid colors. Picture a world teeming with an astonishing variety of fish, fluttering their vibrant fins among the coral gardens. Imagine sea turtles leisurely gliding by and rays, those graceful dancers of the deep skimming the sandy seabed. This is Lakshadweep, an aquatic wonderland that captivates with its rich biodiversity. The islands, though few are accessible to tourists, serve as an exquisite canvas for underwater exploration. Each dive reveals a new spectacle, a fresh encounter with the mystical life beneath the waves. So, are you ready? Let's dive into the depths of this aquatic paradise to discover its hidden treasures. Imagine descending into the deep, surrounded by a kaleidoscope of marine life. This is scuba diving in Lakshadweep. These islands offer a diverse range of diving experiences, each with its own unique charm. Dive into the gentle lagoons, perfect for beginners eager to explore the mysteries of the deep. Or venture to the deeper sites, where stunning drop-offs and vibrant coral walls captivate seasoned divers. The dive sites of Bangaram, Agatti, and Kadmat are particularly renowned. Their crystal clear waters offer exceptional visibility, revealing a plentiful array of marine life. From the shimmering schools of fish that dart between the corals, to the majestic rays that glide effortlessly through the water, each dive site is a vibrant, living canvas. And let's not forget the mesmerizing coral gardens, a riot of colors that seem almost too brilliant to be real. Every dive in Lakshadweep is a new adventure, a new story waiting to unfold. But what if you prefer to skim the surface rather than plunge into the depths? Snorkeling offers just that. A delightful encounter with Lakshadweep's vibrant marine life, without the need for extensive training or heavy equipment. Just a mask, snorkel, and fins, and you're ready for an aquatic adventure. Imagine gliding over shallow coral reefs, peering into a world of dazzling colors and lively marine inhabitants. Each island of Lakshadweep presents its own unique snorkeling experience. Kavaratti, the administrative hub, boasts exquisite lagoons teeming with a myriad of fish and vibrant corals. Kalpeni, on the other hand, is famed for its expansive coral gardens, a sight to behold for any nature lover. But it's not just about the visual spectacle. Snorkeling in Lakshadweep is also about the serene connection with nature, the rhythm of your breath syncing with the gentle ebb and flow of the sea. With every snorkeling trip, Lakshadweep reveals a new facet of its underwater charm. As we explore this underwater paradise, it's crucial to remember our responsibility towards its preservation. Lakshadweep's marine ecosystems are fragile and require our utmost consideration. The local authorities and communities have established sustainable tourism practices and stringent regulations on fishing and waste management to protect the island's biodiversity. Yet, every visitor has a role to play in this conservation story. Here are a few tips for responsible exploration. Firstly, show respect towards marine life. Avoid touching or disturbing the corals and marine creatures. Secondly, opt for eco-friendly products. Choose reef-safe sunscreen and snorkeling gear to reduce environmental impact. Lastly, lend your support to local initiatives, participate in conservation efforts, and opt for eco-friendly tour operators. Remember, each choice we make impacts the environment. Every step we take towards responsible tourism helps preserve Lakshadweep's underwater beauty for future generations. Ready to embark on your underwater adventure in Lakshadweep? There's a bit of planning you'll need to do first. Start by securing the necessary permits from local authorities. This is a must, as only a few of the 36 islands are open to tourists. Next, team up with a certified tour operator, one who specializes in diving and snorkeling excursions. They'll guide you to the best spots and ensure your safety. Now, let's talk timing. The best months to visit Lakshadweep are from October through May. The weather is pleasant, the waters are calm, and visibility is excellent for diving and snorkeling. Remember, you're about to step into a world teeming with vibrant marine life, an ecosystem that needs our respect and protection. So immerse yourself in the experience, but always tread lightly. Lakshadweep's underwater world is a testament to nature's unparalleled beauty, a paradise waiting to be discovered.